fucking turn around and kill him.
Okay, we got a really good guy in the attack chopper on their side. And we're probably gonna sit in anti-air for the rest of the game.
Have you seen the clip where people are standing on top of the tallest tower there? There's a button you can click that fucking burns them.
Yeah.
Oh, I did send it. Okay, good.
I did it! I fucking did it! Suck my dick, bro. My payback kill with an RPG! 2 in a row, dude.
Now you use. Just pick them out of there. Nice.
Raven shit. Going up behind you to help repair Brenda. I'm gonna hop in your gunner in the meanwhile. I have a chopper.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hi guys.
Oh! Oh!
My talking spell feels like this shit.
Oh, there's no way he isn't dead.
Yes, sir!
Nice
Yes,
shot.
sir! I hit that? There's no fucking way I hit that.
Yeah, I wish this guy would get out so I can hop on the sticks.
Drop her down.
Damn, you killed all 4.
Yes, sir.